Well, hello folks, what have I got here? A chap called Robert got in touch with me and asked if I could service or repair one of his locomotives, which is this one here. What could possibly be in there? I'm not telling you, I'm not showing you, that's a secret until we come to actually do it. So I'm going to put that down here, safely out of the way. He did say he was going to send me a couple of donations, so I know roughly what's in this box here. But I didn't know if he was going to send me this, which is a Replica Railways Class 45. I've not played or looked at any Replica Railways or mainline diesels. I have heard nasty things about them, especially the mainline ones. So it'll be very interesting to look at this. I am so tempted to take this out of the box and try it on the track and all the rest of it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep this for a separate video. So that's going to be very, very interesting. The 45 is not a diesel that really was on my radar at all to get, so I really appreciate getting this. I'm just looking at the bogies on that thing. It's got 16 wheels, Jesus. That's going to be really interesting to see how it works, see what it sounds like, and see what's inside, so looking forward to that one. But what is in here? Well, like I say, I've got a rough idea what's in here, but you never know, there might be a little surprise. So I'll open it up. Carefully across the top, don't want to scratch anything. Battery got a bit stuck. Okay. Right. Now this is something I was expecting. Oh, there's more of them than I thought though. It's little four-wheel coaches. Little maroon four-wheel coaches. So there's 1, 2, 3. Oh, and a different coloured one. I think that matches my Great Western one that Peter gave me, so that's good. So I've got 2 of those and 3 of those. Excellent. But we've got more things in here. Oh boy. Now this is a surprise. I wasn't expecting these. Let's get these out of the way. Wow. So these are, yeah, I'm not really up in my coaches, so the weights are loose. Oh, something to sort, that's good. Tell me what these are, please, folks. They look very old style. Looks like 3 brakes. So I'm guessing these are old LMS coaches of some sort. I don't know. My knowledge isn't that good on these things. But I'm not done yet. What else we got in here? These I did know I was getting. Couple intercity coaches. I don't think these are Hornby ones. The main line ones. Oh, cool. That means I'll need to re-wheel them. A couple of mainline intercity coaches, composite and a brake, or open, I think they are, aren't they? The open coach and the brake. I'll maybe see if I can get another one of these, so I can get a rake of 3. Excellent. Oh, there's something else in here. This is the last. Oh. More intercity coaches, the more modern ones. What do you call them? Oh god, see, my coach knowledge is horrendous. That's a brake and an open. One day I would love to get an HST, an intercity 125, so they would kind of go with that, wouldn't they? Make sure there's nothing else hiding in the box. Nope, that's it. So, thank you very much, Robert, for all these coaches. The little 4-wheel ones be fantastic for my little 040 locos. These things, I just don't know what these are. Apologies for my ignorance, my coach ignorance, but I don't know what these are. And tell me what locomotive should be pulling these. And intercity coaches, in my mind, you can never have too many coaches for your diesels, especially. So that's absolutely fantastic. And as I say, I would like to get an Intercity 125, you know, the HST, at some point. I have been looking at them on eBay, but they seem to be creeping up in price. But I'll get one at some point. And for this class 45, fantastic. Thank you very much, Robert. What's in here will be revealed in the not too distant future, and I'm really looking forward to working on what's in there. Okay, so cheers again, Robert. More than generous. Honestly, blown away by that. Thank you very much, and we'll see you later, folks.